couple of references. As I mentioned, the first big customer, and still a customer as of today, is the Belgian Army, that are using our radar that was developed and built in Bats a while ago, and they're still using it in Mali and in Afghanistan. The Moroccan Army is another big customer of ours. They're using a later model of this radar. The Moroccan Air Force is one of our customers. We just finished a big project for securing their largest F-16 base in Ben Guerir with this radar system, an electro-optic system, and command and control. We delivered, you can see on the left bottom, to the Romanian Air Force in 2017 a number of air defense radars. These were assembled and integrated in Bats in a secondary facility that we have in Erstal. We are supplying the Drone Guard system to the Middle East. I can't go into specifics about the customer. It's Secret Service and government customers in the Middle East region. The system has also been sold in large numbers to North America and to South America. It's in use in Israel and in a number of other countries. So it's a very operational system, and it was also used last year to protect the G20 summit in Buenos Aires and successfully intercepted a number of drones there. We were currently awarded this month a very large border surveillance project between Greece and Turkey, EU financed, on the Greek side, where we're going to install a number of ground surveillance radars with electro-optic systems, command and control. And another recent project, as an example, was in Lithuania to protect the border between Russia at a lake, and they were very afraid that swimmers might come across the lake, and we have a very specific radar that is able to detect swimmers. Another reference from recent is our systems being installed at the Romanian-Serbian border, along with several command and control centers. Bats as a company is following strict quality assurance standards, so we're certified ISO 9001, the latest 2015 edition, and also the NATO equivalent, which is the AQAP 2110 with the latest edition. The company, just to go back, of course, also has an NSA security clearance, so whenever a project requires Belgian secret, EU secret, or NATO secret, the company itself, as well as the employees, are in possession of the clearance. What we do is anything starting from international marketing, project management. We analyze customer needs. We don't normally do commercial off the shelf. Whatever we do is custom tailored, even though we have a standard range of products, but it needs to be adapted to specific customer needs every time. So we design the solution in-house. We have our own engineering, mechanical and electrical. We do the integration of systems, including software. We can do the installation, maintenance and training. However, if it's like in foreign countries, we tend to work with local partners to shrink down the turnaround time for repairs. So we train local partners to do installation, maintenance and training as well in their local language. What you can see on the picture, on the top picture, that's the manufacturing of the air defense radars for the Romanian Air Force here in Liège. And the bottom picture, that's one of our test rooms in Bats, where we have maintenance services for parts that are shipped back to us. In terms of radars, just a potpourri of what we do. It's anywhere from small to big, for detecting ballistic missiles, all the way down to detecting swimmers or persons. We do naval radars. Bats is also implicated in the Belgian mine countermeasure program for the 12 ships, 6 for the Dutch Navy and 6 for the Belgian Navy. We'll be offering a number of systems there. Air defense radars we talked about. We also have some very powerful ground surveillance radars that can detect a single person of up to 20 kilometers, including swimmers, up to 3 kilometers. Smallest radar that we have is really about this size for critical infrastructures like prisons, for example. You can detect a person of 500 meters, and in about 2 months' time, that small radar you can see on the bottom left will be available for 1 kilometer person detection. Other than that, we're offering, of course, much more than just radars. So for protecting critical infrastructures, we offer like inertial sensors, seismic sensors, smart fences. We combine them with electro-optics. We're not an electro-optics manufacturer, but we have like decades of experience in marrying these systems with our radars. They'll be adapted according to the range of the radar and according to the need. We do anything from uncooled electro-optics, day, night, thermal with laser rangefinder, cooled, gyro-stabilized, fit to the need, and even airborne payloads for helicopters and other airborne assets. We've done a number of programs in the eastern countries for mostly Ministry of Interior, Border Police that wanted radars and electro-optics integrated on a mast on a vehicle with operator cabin in the vehicle. Here we work, of course, with vehicle integrators closely. Like there's one in Liège, there's one in Germany that we work with to custom tailor the vehicle according to the needs. We also offer for secret services and government agencies mobile phone interception and communications intelligence systems where you can have the antennas in a rooftop box, an operator cabin in the back, and then this kind of equipment would be in the trunk to intercept and manipulate and locate mobile phone. Also comes in a backpack if wanted. We have our own very powerful command and control software that will integrate whatever sensor we have. It can be ground radars, it'll be cameras, seismic sensors, fences, land, airborne assets, vehicles, information coming from UAVs. This can all be fed into one single command and control software and give a full-scale situational awareness to the operator. And of course we do the whole infrastructure that comes with it, with video walls and fixed command and control rooms. This is what we're currently doing in Greece. There'll be a number of 10 stations along the Turkish-Greek border. There'll be local operating centers, there'll be regional operating centers, and as well as strategic operating centers in Athens. So you need microwave communications between the sites to pass the information, and it's all one singular software. I'm going to go into detail about the anti-drone solution right after this, and here's just an example of some of the command control centers that we made in the last few decades. The one in the middle, for example, that's in Douala, Cameroon, where we installed coastal radar. Let me now quickly switch